Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn Standard 4 English Grammar. Today we are going to start revision of lesson number 12, present tense. Okay? So let's see. Simple present tense. The simple present tense tells us about action done regularly as a habit. Which actions we done regularly. We often use words like usually, generally, every day and always etc. with the simple present tense. Let's see. Hi, I am Mani. I usually get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. So you can see this word usually. Usually shows that this is a simple present tense sentence. Second, I learn classical music. I practice music every morning. So every morning. I have a very good friend. His name is Sunil. He loves tennis. He plays tennis every day. In the evening, we both go to swim. All verbs in red in the above passage are in the simple present tense. They tell us what Mani and Sunil do as a routine. The simple present tense is also used to talk about things that are always true. The earth is round. The sun rises in the east. This is a universal fact, okay? So the simple present tense is also used to talk about universal facts. Now let's see the exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the simple present tense forms of the verbs given in brackets. So you can see we have one table here. Given below is a table showing how the verb changes from according to the subject in the simple present tense. Subject. When the subject is I, we, you, they, Roma and Soma, that means plural. So we have to use root form of verb root. When there is a subject is he, she, it and singular noun, we have to use verb root plus s, es or ies. Okay. So let's see the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the simple present forms of the verbs given in brackets. First one. Mr. Jha is a teacher. She days in Pune public school. So what will come, students? We have to teach into the bracket. So what will come? It's a teaches. Why? You can see here in this table. When subject is she, he, she, it and singular noun, we have to use verb root plus s, es or ies. So what we have to do? We have to add es into the verb. Okay. So teach, teaches. Mr. Jha is a teacher. She teaches in Pune public school. Now second one. They are taxi drivers. They dash into the bracket drive taxis all over the town. So what will come? So we have to use here root form of verb. We have to use drive. Why? You can see into the table. When subject is I, we, you, they and plural noun, we have to use root form of verb root. Okay. So what will come? They are taxi drivers. They drive taxis all over the town, right? Because there is a plural. Now third one. Adam is a baker. He dash into the bracket bake birthday cake with great skill. So what will come? When subject is he, we have to use verb root plus s, es or ies. So what will come? Bakes. Okay. We have to add s into the verb. Okay. Adam is a baker. He bakes birthday cakes with great skill. Now fourth one. We dash into the bracket play basketball every day. So what will come here? When subject is I, we, you and plural noun they and plural noun, we have to use root form of verb. So we have to put root form of play. So what will come? Play. Okay. We play basketball every day. This is my cat. Eat dash into the bracket drink milk every morning. So what will come? This is my cat. It drinks milk every morning. The sun dash in the west. So the sun sets in the west. Dogs dash to gnaw on bones. So what will come? Dogs is a plural. So we have to put root form of verb. Dogs like to gnaw on bones. Sunny dash into the bracket help his brother in the garden every morning. So Sunny helps his brother in the garden every morning. Okay? Okay students, so with this we are going to end of this lesson. You have to write this exercise in your rough book as a homework. Okay, rewrite in your rough book. Okay students, thank you.